In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was able to make 3.5% around $2,000 thereabout trading this particular trade setup for a buy. But before then, my name is Collins King, and if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell as well so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as much people as possible if at the end you did gain any sort of value from today's content. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and clear out the chat real quick, and I'm going to head to H1 time frame, do the analysis so everybody can understand why I took the trade, right? So basically this is more like a trade breakdown and stuff like that. Okay, now I think my network is kind of lagging. You guys should give me a break. Okay, give me a minute. So obviously we can see from the previous video that I posted, y'all saw how I was able to capitalize on this quick move down here before it broke aggressively to the upside. So to me, I was seeing it as okay, right, this was the initial guy who started it. So price came down, rejected, but we went super aggressive to the upside and price rejected as a result of this resistance right here. So what basically I was looking at was, okay, to me, I was already having a higher low sequence. So to me, this was already like a lower, higher low, right? And I was waiting for price to come to this level where I could easily buy from again. Okay, and so we can see we had this pullback, nice, sweet pullback, aggressive to this level. Price came down here, and all I did was simply go down to 15 minutes time frame to identify a break of structure. Now, if you're watching this video, you'll be able to follow the step-by-step processes that I do follow to actually take a trade. Now, what I did was simply go down to 15 minutes time frame to identify a break of structure, and as you can see, sweet and nice, we had this high, 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 low, high, and we had this drop, super aggressive drop to the downside, pull back. So there was a break of structure. Basically we can see here is the break of structure, and we can see this lower high, right, and low. So price came here and I took the trade, I think around 78 or 77.14. Okay, 78.14. I took the trade from around 78.14 for my price, like for my broker price. And this trade was from yesterday, which was on the 5th of March. So you might be watching this video somewhere within the week. But I took the trade yesterday and held the trade, and lo and behold, this morning price actually did come to hit my take profit for a 100 pip move, right? So somewhere around here, I know my TP was around 79.07 or thereabout. So basically this was how I was able to capitalize on this trade setup, basically this buy position. And from the look of things, from the higher time frame, the market actually does have the potential to keep going up, but I'm just gonna wait to see what price action does. Basically I want to see some sort of pullback before I'll be able to take or look for a better buy position again, probably around this level here, probably around this support. If price pulls back, I could be looking for a potential buy position because daily time frame, everything is aligned, showing that price is heading to the upside. Okay, so if you guys did gain any sort of value because we've come to the end of today's video, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell as well so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also give this video a thumbs up so we can be able to push it out to as much people as possible. With all of that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and I'm out.